We are passionate about inspiring and uplifting our community through faith, wellness, and daily encouragement. We share daily Bible verse, inspirational messages, and motivational quotes to strengthen your faith and mindset. Our platform also features an online shop with health and wellness, organic products, plus a simple and affordable opportunity to start an online business for those who may be struggling financially. So each week we host live stream and podcast sessions where we talk about real life topics, faith, and success stories, and creating a space to grow and connect together. At Samoa Finau, we're all about faith, growth, and community walking this journey together. And again, down here, another link to our shop and a link there to join our Samoa Finau community on our Samoa Finau Facebook group. And just a note there, to start the online business, it will only cost you $10 a month to start your business and to maintain to run your business. It's simple, affordable, and a life-changing opportunity.